What's happening? So since we're waiting on parts for my Jeep, I wanted to start a new project. This is my Kawasaki GS440. Picked her up for $200. She's got a good engine, got good compression, and I just want to tear her apart and get some paint on her and get her ready for summer. So come along for the ride. First, all this stuff in the engine compartment is going to come out, and then we'll take apart everything else. So got the motor out. The only really engine work I'm going to do is I'm going to put new crankcase seals in there. I have I think it's the SBN, whatever the square body carburetor I'm going to put on there. I need to get a spacer for that so it will fit. And then I got a different starter I want to put on here. Other than that, that's all I'm going to do to the motor. Well, it's 2 a.m. and I think I made a lot of progress. Still have the pump in there. I don't have the housing, just the impeller and the shaft. And pretty much all that's left is a little bit of cleanup on the mat, and then I should be ready to start some body work. So another night working on this jet ski. Tonight I'm just gonna bust out the heat gun and pull off these stickers and try to get the rest of that pad off. There's a little bit of body work that I need to do before paint. There's one crack that I need to get fixed, and I'll show you that right now. There's just a little crack that needs to be fixed right here. Looks like someone else already tried to fix it, but other than that, it's in really good shape. So we're just gonna pull off these stickers real quick and try to get that pad off. Didn't get as far as I wanted to on the jet ski. Still have a little bit of the decals to take off. So I'm gonna take it to work this week, so keep us on track for next week where I can start the Bondo and get it ready for paint. I ordered the part for the Jeep, so that should be here next week too, so hopefully I can finish this project up and hopefully it runs. Other than that, like, subscribe for more.